Good evening, I'm Meghraj Goswami, and in this video I'm going to show a project that I made in Python called Melomaniac. So Melomaniac is a song and video downloader. It downloads songs from Spotify and videos from YouTube, and you can select the download quality. If you just want to download the audio or the video, or both the audio and video, and you can select multiple download types. You can download multiple songs and videos at once. So the idea of this program came to me when a few months back I did not have access to a Spotify premium license, and I wanted to download a few songs for offline usage, and I couldn't find any online service that downloaded songs from Spotify for offline usage, without paying for a license. Uh, so I developed this program that uses the Spotify library to search for the song or a song in a album or library and get its metadata and search that metadata in YouTube using the PAFI module. It has a nice GUI which lets you download the songs and videos, and you can also preview the songs and videos before downloading. You can download whole Spotify playlists at once if you want at the best quality. So this is the code. Oh, and it also requires authorization. It's a really simple authorization. Like I uploaded the product keys on a it's here private GitHub repository, so like no one can access it if they don't know the token exactly. But it's not that secure, and I just did it like as a fun project. So for example, this is the username and the product key. This is one of the usernames and product keys. If I run this, it will ask for that information. Yes, so if I just like put the username as project and the product key as this one. If I like type something wrong, then it will say unauthorized, try again. Right, login, authorized. Okay, so this is the main window of Melomaniac, right? So here you can, this is a Spotify tab and YouTube tab. There are two tabs. In the Spotify tab, you can either search for a song by its name and the artist. You can put a playlist URL here and it will show all the songs in the playlist, and that's the same goes with an album URL. So for example, in song name, I have a song name it will be by The Toxic Avenger. Yeah, this one. So if I click on this, it will extract the metadata of the song using Spotify here, this one, and then use PAFI to search it on YouTube. So after searching, it will get the YouTube. PAFI is a really nice library. It shows all the information like the YouTube URL, the YouTube thumbnail URL. So I use a thumbnail URL. I use Python imaging library to blur it a bit, and then put this text on top of it, the song name and the artist name using Python imaging library. There's a method to put text on images, and the font used is this one here, edo.ttf. So if I click on this image, a 30-second preview will be started. So Spotify does not let you download songs, but its API provides 30-second previews that you can listen to, and this is what it does here. So if I click on this, it will start. Yes, this one. And this is the pause and play button. The slider does not work here because the Spotify does not have like a timestamp system, so you can't just go at a given timestamp, and it works in YouTube videos but not in Spotify. But you can play and pause it like so. Now if I want to search for another song by, say, the artist name, for example, Walk the Moon, and search, and this is the song, right? And it again does the PIL Python imaging library does the work. It shows the blurred thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, with the text on top of it. And if I click on this, the 30-second preview will start. And this is just for 30 seconds, so I can download it too. I can download all the songs in this list using this download all button, or I can just download this single song. So for example, if I want to just download this song, I click here. I get download type option. So all 4 of these are audio files. I can either download a WebM file at 160 kilobit per second or M4A file at 128 kilobit per second. I can also download multiple files together using like pressing control, and the list box can support multiple selections. So for example, if I want to download these 2 songs, I click on download. For example, if I just want to download the files to this folder, I'll make a new folder called music. Yes, it's here. Select this folder and it will start downloading. Right, it's already downloaded, I think. Yes, it has already been downloaded. Music folder. Yes, so the M4A version and the WebM version. This is 160 kilobit per second. This is the full song downloaded for offline usage. Yeah, so this was for the searching for individual songs. Now if I want to download a playlist, say I have my Spotify web player open here, and I want to play one of my own playlists. So I go here, second. Yes, I select playlist and put the playlist URL here, and it will show all the songs in my playlist. These are all the songs in my first playlist. So if I want to select, if I want to check, I'll like select a song, and it will show you like 30-second summary or preview. Right, so now if I want to download the individual song, I'll press this, but if I want to download the whole playlist, I'll press this here, and I'll select this one. Pressing the download all button will download all the songs in this playlist at the best possible quality. So let's see if it's getting downloaded. Yeah, it's already getting downloaded. This uses multi-threading, right? So all the songs are getting downloaded at the same time. So it uses a bit more resources, but it's worth it. Like, it's really fast. Let's wait for them all to get downloaded. There are a lot of songs. Let's just test one, for example. Which one? This one, for example. Yes. So the full song has been downloaded, and I think everything has been downloaded. Yes, everything has been downloaded. All 97 songs in my playlist. Everything has been downloaded in a matter of seconds. So this is a really cool thing. And same goes for albums. So if I want to, if I search for an album, I don't have any album URL, so I'll just search for one. Oh, right here. Yeah. So this is an album. You see it right here, and just paste the album URL here and search. Yeah, and it's already loaded. These are the songs in the Daft Punk album. So if I just select like one for watching the preview, right? And now if I want to download all the songs in this album, I'll make a new folder, album music, right? Select folder. It will download all the songs at the best possible quality. They're already being downloaded. Like they're still part files, but yeah, these are downloaded. They're getting downloaded slowly. Yeah. Yeah, all have been downloaded. All the songs have been downloaded. So these are the full songs that have been downloaded. Well, not from Spotify, from YouTube, but it's like the same thing. You're getting these songs and you're getting the exact same songs that you want to download. Right, so this was about the Spotify tab. Now to the YouTube tab. So in the YouTube tab, if I search, for example, one video, one channel, Linus Tech Tips, I'll just search Linus. So these are the videos that I get. I didn't use Paffy or any module for this. I manually used the headers. I got the headers when I from my browser. I opened up my browser, searched on YouTube, copied the headers, and then used them here. And I got the results, and then I'm using them here. I'm showing them here. So for example, if I just click on this video, now here the video will actually play in this little window. Oh, and I used VLC module for showing this video here. So the video will actually play here, get played here, and you'll be able to control the timestamp. You can traverse through the video using the slider. So if I click here, and the video will start. Right. You can traverse through the video.
That's incorrect.
See?
Even on
Sanity.
well, I mean, it could be theirs.
Hey,
You can even do this,
am I back in this? Dang it! I thought I was
and
back
it'll
in
get
it, and I
resized
wasn't.
on its own.
Wow, everything
VLC
just
is
stacks up
really
along
nice
the
thing.
bottom. It's been a while
VLC
since I've
module, the
seen
VLC
that.
module is.
Okay, games. Wine mine!
Right, so if I want to download this, I'll just click here. And these are all the choices. So there are audio, you can download the individual, just the audio files, just the video files, or you can download the normal full video. So if I want to download the MP4 video at this resolution, 1280 by 640, press download. It'll ask for the location. I'll just download it here. And it's a part file, and yeah, it's downloaded. It's 52 MBs, and depending on your network speed, it will get downloaded. Like it's pretty fast. And this is the full YouTube video.
Can
And here's the address.
we...
So this was it. The Spotify tab for downloading Spotify songs, previewing them here. You can download either a single song or download the whole playlist. And YouTube, you can search for videos here. This is just like YouTube search. You can search here, then you can select a video here. You can play it here, so like you can use this even as your YouTube browser / downloader. And then you can download it here, and it's really quick. It uses multi-threading, so every song or video that is being downloaded, they get downloaded simultaneously. And this is my project. This is Melomaniac. Thank you.